Good morning. In the previous class, we worked out some problems and in which we understood or we got an idea how the angle of elevation or angle of depression can be brought into the right-angled model that we are constructing for solving the problem. So, in continuation of the previous class, where we solved only 3 problems, so we will go for the 4th problem today. A man observes the angle of elevation of the top of the tower to be 45 degree. He walks towards it in a horizontal line through its base. On covering 20 meters, the angle of elevation changes to 60 degree from 45 degree. Find the height of the tower correct to 2 significant figures. This is a 4 marks question. So, let us construct the triangles. So, a man observes the angle of elevation of the top of a tower to be 45 degree. So, there is a tower. Let it be AB. And then man observes the top of the tower. This is the top of the tower. He observes the angle of elevation as 45 degree. So from the horizontal, this is the horizontal. Since it is an angle of elevation, so it will be above the horizontal. It is 45 degree. Then he walks towards the tower on covering 20 meters. Say this is AB and this is C and let it be D. And this distance is 20 meters. On covering 20 meters, the angle of elevation is found to be 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. And we are asked to find out the height of the tower to correct 2 significant figures. So, what are the 2 right triangles here? The first right triangle is ABC. ABC. The second right triangle is ABD. ABD. Let us consider each triangle one by one. From triangle, right triangle ABC, tan 45 degree. This is the triangle ABC. So tan 45 degree equal to AB divided by AC. Tan 45 is 1 and AB is the height of the tower. AC can be written as 20 plus AD. 20 plus AD. So, cross multiplication will give AB equal to 20 plus AD. This is take it as a first equation number 1. From right triangle, consider the second right triangle. From right triangle, ABD, tan 60 equal to AB by AD. AB by AD. Tan 60 is root 3. root 3 is equal to the height of the tower divided by AD. So from this, the height of the tower AB by cross multiplication will give AB into 1 equal to root 3 AD. This is equation number 2. Why don't we equate the right hand side of the two equations? Because the left hand side are equal. So root 3 AD equal to 20 plus AD. Bring this AD to the left side because this is an equation involving only one variable. Any equation, whether it is a linear, quadratic or cubic, if there is only one variable, one equation is necessary. From that we can find out the value of the variable. So I am bringing this AD to the left side. Root 3 AD minus AD equal to 20. AD means 1 into AD. I am taking AD outside the bracket. So it is root 3 minus 1 into AD is 20. Root 3 means 1.732 minus 1 into AD equal to 20. 1.732 minus 1 will give 0.732. AD equal to 20. Therefore AD equal to 20 divided by 0.732. This is equal to 20, where is it? AD equal to 27.322 meter. 27.322 meter. Now we got AD. We can now consider this right triangle. Now AD is known. It is obtained as 27.322. So the distance is known in this right triangle and an angle is also known. So we can find out the height using tan ratio. So tan 60 equal to, it is already we found it, tan 60 equal to, and then we found out AB as root 3 into AD. We can use this equation, or otherwise we can go through by taking tan ratio, tan 60, like that. In any way, we will end up with the AB equal to root 3 times AD. Root 3 times AD. We are using the equation number 2 from 2 equal to 1.732 into AD. AD we got 27.322. And this will give equal to 47.32 meter. You are asked to give the answer in two significant figures. So that means two figures are significant. Here this is 0.3. If it was above 0.5, then we will add that add a 1 to this 47, then it will become 48. Since it is less than 0.5, so we will discard that. So the answer correct to two significant figures is 47 meter. I will upload one video on significant figures, so you can later on watch that video to get more idea about how significant figures are calculated, its multiplication, division, addition, etc. And AB is the height of the tower. Now let us move on to the fifth question. The angle of depression of two ships, A and B, as observed from the top of a lighthouse, 60 meter high, are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the two ships are on the opposite sides of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Give your answer correct to the nearest whole number. This is a 3 marks question, and this question is similar to the first question that we have already worked out. It is a simple question. So the angle of depression of two ships, A and B. So there are two ships, A and B, and these ships are on the opposite side of a lighthouse. So there is a lighthouse. Let this lighthouse be CD. The angle of depression of two ships. So the angle of depression of, here there is a line and a parallel line through D. From D, the ship is observed at an angle of depression. A is observed 60 degree and B is observed at an angle of depression of 45 degree. If we extend this line, AD is the transversal, and corresponding to this angle constitutes the alternate angle, or these two angles are alternate angle. Alternate angles are equal, therefore this is 60 degree. We need to bring this angle to the right triangle we are constructing for solving the problem. And corresponding to 45 degree, the other alternate angle in this pair is this. This is 45 degree. So here, and the height of the lighthouse is given. It is 60 meter. So it is a simple problem. So there are two right triangles. This is one right triangle and this is another right triangle. On both these right triangle, this CD is common. That means on both the right triangle, the height is given and an angle is also given. Only we need to find out the distance. So consider triangle ACD. Right triangle ACD, tan 60 degree equal to CD by AC. Tan 60 is root 3. CD we know it is 60 meter divided by AC. Therefore, AC equal to 60 meter divided by root 3. So AC we obtained. Then consider the other triangle. Right triangle CBD. Tan 45 degree equal to CD by CD by CB. Tan 45 is 1, CD is 160 meter and CB. The horizontal distance with respect to the second triangle. Therefore, CB equal to 60 meter by 1, that is 60 meter. Therefore, the distance between the distance between the two ships which is AC, so which is AB, and AB is sum of AC plus CD, and both we found out. AC is 60 by root 3 plus CB is 60. 60 by root 3 means 60 by 1.732 plus 60. 60 by 1.732 is equal to 34.64 plus 60. So this is equal to 94.64. We are asked to give the answer nearest to the meter, nearest meter. So since it is 0.6, so we will take it as 1. So this is approximately equal to 95 meter. That is the answer. So from the two right triangles, the height was known to us. In both the right triangle, the height was known. Only the distance was unknown. From tan ratio, we found out the distance in each triangle. Then we added those distances to get the required answer. That is the distance between the two ships. The sixth question. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1500 meters finds that two ships are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angle of depression as observed from the aeroplane are 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two ships. This question is for 4 marks. So there is an aeroplane at an altitude of 1500 meter from the sea level. So this is the sea level, and this is the altitude of AB is the altitude of the aeroplane, and there are two ships, say C and D. and the angle of depression. So this is the horizontal here. The angle of depression from the aeroplane are 45 degree and 30 degree. So naturally this should be 30 degree because it is lesser, and this is 45 degree. So corresponding to this angle, this constitutes the other angle in the alternate pair. So this is 45 degree, and corresponding to this angle, this is the other angle in the pair. So this is 30 degree. So as before, there are two triangles. This is ABD is the first triangle and ABC is the second triangle. So let us consider these two triangles separately, and let us see how we can find out the distance between the two ships. C and D are the ships. So this distance, that is CD, we need to find it out. So from right triangle ABD, tan 45 equal to AB by AD. That is 1 equal to AB is 1500 divided by AD, which implies AD equal to 1500 meter. Consider second triangle. ABC. From that, tan 30 equal to AB by AC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to AB is 1500 divided by AC. Therefore, AC equal to, bring this here, so root 3 will come here. Root 3 into 1500. So we obtained this distance, this we obtained, and the whole distance also we obtained. So from this whole distance, deduct this distance so that we will get a CD, that is the distance between the two ships. Therefore, CD, the distance between the two ships, equal to AC minus AD, that is equal to, AC is root 3 into 1500, that means 1.732 into 1500 minus AD is nothing but 1500. So this is equal to, take 1500 outside the bracket, so inside the bracket you will get 1.732 minus 1, and that is equal to 0.732 into 1500. So that is equal to 0.732 into 1500, 1098 meter. So here we are asked to find the distance between the two ships. Nothing is mentioned whether to the nearest meter or correct to some significant figures. Nothing has been mentioned. So we obtained the answer as 1098 meter. The seventh question. The horizontal distance between two towers is 120 meter. The angle of elevation of the top and angle of depression of the bottom of the first tower as observed from the second tower is 30 degree and 24 degree respectively. Find the height of the two towers. Give your answer correct to two significant figures. So this question is for 4 marks. So there are two towers. The first tower is higher than the second tower. This is the first tower. And this is the second tower. From the top of the second tower, the angle of elevation. So we need, at the top of the second tower, we need to draw a horizontal. And the angle of elevation is 30 degree. And when the bottom is observed, we get an angle of depression of 24 degree. And both these towers are at a distance of 120 meter apart. Let the first tower be AB and the second tower be CD, and let this point be E. So I am writing this angle as also 24 degree because these are two parallel and this is a transversal. Therefore, these two angles are alternate angles. So this distance is known. There is an angle. So we can find out CD. That is the height of the second tower. So from triangle, right triangle, ACD, tan 24 degree equal to CD by AC. Tan 24 degree is 0.445. 0.445 equal to CD, the height of the second tower, divided by AC is the distance between the two towers. Therefore, CD, the height of the second tower, equal to 120 into 0.445 or 0.445 into 120. That is equal to 53.4 meter. And you are asked to give the answer in three significant figures. Here we have three significant figures. So this is the answer. This is one answer. How much it is? 53.4 meter. See here, AE and BC are equal. So AE is again 53.4 meter. Now let us consider this triangle. So from that we can find out EB. The distance is known, it is 120 meter. that is AC and ED are equal. So ED is again 120 meter. Consider this triangle, that is from right triangle BDE tan 30 equal to EB by DE 1 by root 3 equal to EB 1 by root 3 equal to EB by DE, that is 120. Therefore, EB equal to 120 by root 3. And 120 by root 3 is equal to 69.28 meter. So we got this distance also 69.28 meter. On adding these two heights, or on adding those lengths, we get the total height of the first tower. Therefore, AB, the height of the first tower, equal to AE plus EB. Equal to AE is 53.4 meter and plus EB is 69.28 meter. On adding this, we will get it as 122.68 meter. So we need to submit the answer in 3 significant digits. So 1, 2, this position is the third digit, position of the third digit. Since after this decimal it is a 0.6, so we will convert it to 1 here. So this will become 1 instead of 2, we need to write it as 3, 123 meter. And that is the answer corresponding to 3 significant digits or 3 significant figures. It was a different type of problem than we have done so far. So with this, I wind up this class, and from the next class we will start with question number 8 onwards.